Hey everyone. Tony started ripping out the stern, taking out all the rotten wood, and we discovered something pretty interesting. I don't know if you recall, in the beginning when we first removed the bracket from the stern, we noticed some cracks, which I just attributed to the torque of the engines pulling, because these hulls weren't really designed for outboards. This is what it looks like. This right here. But yeah, so apparently it turned out to be something else. And you'll really be amazed when you see what it actually was. Huh? That's fiberglass?
Mm-hmm.
I can't be fiberglass. Thick as that.
No, it was.
You mean that's the original transom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So they basically just screwed up. That's what all these screws there for. They screwed up extra sheet of plywood there and just fiberglass over it. They did a check job. Okay, so this is where we left things off last weekend. We finished off the inboard sides of both stringers and we started ripping this up. And we got as far as reaching the original inside skin of the transom because there was additional support put in place when this was at one time converted from inboard outboards to outboards. So today we going deeper. We're going deeper. And hopefully we get close to getting all of it out. That would be nice. Hey, good morning everyone. We got most of the rotten wood out of the stern. As you can see, it's all just shreds. Tiny was able to dig out the bulk of it with just the backside of a claw hammer. It's just a little bit still stuck here, and in the corners where the wood was a bit drier, it didn't get as soft. So this we gotta work on, and a little bit over in that corner as well. But here, this is what y'all need to see. The workmanship that was put into this hull is amazing. I mean, every piece of repair work that we've come across so far that was done post-factory is just atrocious work. Atrocious. You know, I really got trust issues now with some of our local boat repairmen. I hope they're not all like this, but hey, it seems like everyone that worked on this particular hull just didn't really do a very good job. So here it is. Here's the real cause of the cracks on the exterior of the stern. Look at this. Nope, we did not cut that. Look at that, completely round. And not on one side, both sides, all the way around. Right? So what it seems like they did or intended to do, they intended to cut this portion of the stern out and try to backfill it with wood. But I guessing maybe because this portion, it was too difficult to release from the hull, so they switched gears and just cut out plugs to fit inside the stern where the outdrives met the engine on the inside on both of them. However, after cutting, they didn't bother to sand the cut and fill it with cloth and resin and do a proper repair. They just left it that way, and at least at the moment, I don't know if you could see, looks like they just packed some filler in there and not even all the way through because it's just superficial. So yeah, and sanded down. There's no evidence of any fiberglass cloth on the outside. If there is, it's a very thin layer. So it looked like they just put some Bondo over the seam that they cut and fed it off, sanded it off, and painted over it. I mean, that's inexcusable, man. I probably could kick this and knock this out. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe not. But yeah. It's terrible work, man. Terrible work. Let's go take a look on the outside. Yeah. Here's the seam. And you can see no cloth there at all. Nothing. Nothing. Just some sort of filler. Crap job. So yeah, another mess we gotta clean up. Well, that's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. God bless. That's all.